Now it's time for a big block sing-song on Nick Jr.
Through the night, through the night, through the night, through the night. I'm so tired, my eyes are heavy. I'm feeling sleepy. Have a good sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna have a good sleep. I mean, check it out. My bed is cozy. I'm feeling dozy. I can't wait for dreaming. Gonna have a good sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna have a good sleep and dreamy dreams. Dreamy dreams, it's like a vacation. Take a trip in your imagination. I'm getting on the sleepy train. Sleepy train is pulling in the station. I dream about riding on a unicorn wearing socks. He's burping up rainbows and collecting pet rocks. That unicorn is crazy. He smells like daisies. Just when I think I'm at the top of a mountain, I'm sitting on a fish in a chocolate fountain. What's more delicious, the chocolate or the fishes? I blink my eyes and I disappear. And suddenly I'm in a boat shaped like an ear. I don't mean to gloat, but this is a really comfortable boat. And just when I see I'm in a purple lake, I'm suddenly climbing up a birthday cake. Everything just feels right by the moonlight when I sleep through the night. Through the night, night.
Big block, big block, big block,
Sing song.
big block.
Big block sing song.
Now it's time for a big block sing-song on Nick Jr.
Peek, peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. Peek, peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. I see you. Do you see me? Of course you don't. I'm behind a tree. Peek, peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. Look over there on my right. It's a cardboard box. It arrived last night. I'm curious, so I'm peeking in the box. Peekaboo, it's a fox. Peek, peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. Peek, peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. Blending in, well that's my skill. Check it out while I stay incredibly still. And I close my eyes while I'm up in a tree. Camouflage, you can't see me. A peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. Yeah. This is where I slow down. And this is where I speed up. No one denies the size of my eyes. They're the size of pies. I always look surprised, but I don't need a disguise. I realize that I'm unique. That's why I peek. Peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. How about you? Do you wanna play? Do you wanna play peekaboo? Why not today? You can do it any style. You can do it any way. Come on, check it out. What do you say? You can peekaboo while you're at the zoo. You can peekaboo when you're in a canoe. You can peekaboo like a kangaroo. Everybody's gonna peekaboo. Peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. Peekaboo, peekaboo, a boo, 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 biddy, boo. Peekaboo, that's what I do.
Big block, big block, big block,
Sing song.
big block.
Big block, sing song.
Now it's time for a big block sing-song on Nick Jr.
I'm just like a snail, but I don't have a shell. I still leave a slimy trail, so as far as I can tell, I'm a slug.
He's a slug. He's not a bug.
I'm a slug.
He's a slug. He's not a bug.
I'm very sorry about the slime. I made a mess. I hope it's fine. But I'm a slug.
He's a slug.
It's what I do.
What I do.
If you're a slug,
You're a slug.
you do it too.
Do it too.
I'm a slug.
He's a slug.
Yep,
He's not a bug.
I'm a slug.
He's a slug. He's not a bug. Yeah.
I don't walk or crawl. I just kind of squirm. I can only do one dance move, and it's called the worm. Figures. I find it hard to remain still if I am standing on a steep hill. A little gravity, I tend to slide. I'm pretty slippery. It's hard to hide. When those snails come to town, showing off their shells, wiggling them all around. Without a shell, it's pretty tough. I've got nowhere to keep my stuff. Actually, you know, I'm pretty cool. I mean, a shell would just slow me down. I'm a slug.
He's a slug.
Yeah.
He's not a bug.
I'm a slug.
He's a slug. He's not a bug.
I'm a slug. Come visit me sometime in the garden. It's lonely here.
Big block, big block, big block,
Big block, sing song.
big block.
Big block sing-song.
Now it's time for a big block sing-song on Nick Jr.
Look up on your head, up on the top, and what do you see? Hair. Hair. Long hair. Short hair. Hair. Curly hair. Straight hair. Hair. Sometimes the people, they grow the hair on the face. It's called the facial hair. I grow the facial hair and it's a beard. Does it look weird? No, it's nice. Hair. Hair. Crazy hair. Lazy hair. Hair. I grow the hair in the shape of a boat. I think it would float. Splish splash. Hair. I grow the hair and it looks like a horse. Do you like it? Of course, it's hair. Hair. Mustache hair. Eyebrow hair. Hair. Lots of hair. Not much hair. Hair. I grow the hair and it looks like a house. Sometimes the birds live there. Tweet, tweet. I grow the hair in the shape of a fish. Do you like it? It's delish. Hair. Hair on the top, hair on the sides. Hair. No hair. Too much hair. Hair.
Big block, big block, big block,
Big block, sing song.
big block.
Big block sing-song.
Now it's time for a big block sing-song on Nick Jr.
Living like a monkey isn't always a breeze. Lots more to do than just climbing up trees. So much to do, and that's why I say
It's gonna be a 2-banana kind of day.
2-banana day. It's a 2-banana day. 2-banana day. It's a 2-banana day. I start in the morning with a little bit of breakfast. Take a few moments to do my stretches. So much to do, so I'm on my way.
It's gonna be a 2-banana kind of day.
The hardest part of my daily job is picking little bugs off my little brother Bob. My little brother Bob's got all kinds of bugs, but that's okay. He gives nice hugs. Then I crack up coconuts, put them in a pile. I'll have a little drink. 2-banana day. It's a 2-banana day. 2-banana day. It's a 2-banana day. At the end of the day, I take a little time, swinging through the jungle on my favorite line. I head home hungry, so that's why I say
It's gonna be a 2-banana kind of day.
2-banana day. It's a 2-banana day. 2-banana day. It's a 2-banana day. 2-banana day. It's a 2-banana day. 2-banana day. It's a two banana day.
Big block, big block, big block.
Sing song.
Big block.
Big block, sing song.
Now it's time for a big block sing-song on Nick Jr.
There's a place I go, would you like to know? It's the place I go. It's the park. Would you like to come? 'Cause I'd love to bring you, I'd love to sing you a song about the park. In the park, park, it's lots of fun, fun, fun. Something to do for everyone, one. In the park, 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 in the park. Look over there. They've got a slide. I'd love to go and have a ride. In the park, 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 in the park. All the birds and squirrels are building nests, while the boys and girls, they look impressed. So fancy. In the park, 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 in the park. There's so much room for me to run. The park is a place for the boys and girls and the birds and squirrels that ride the twirls. The park is fabulous, the park is grand. There's a box of sand, a box of sand. Can you believe it? It's called a sandbox. It's where I do my exercises. In the park, 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 in the park. Big block, big block, big block,
Big block, sing song.
big block, sing song.